Hello everybody, hello, thank you so much for joining in today's live session. We just posted out a video actually just now. The video was actually pertaining to us simplifying the very popular term called order block. I'm pretty sure many of you that are interested in trading, you know, I believe that you guys may have heard about it, especially the term order block. Yeah, so there's so many ideas and concepts and like from intermediate all the way to advanced into how to understanding them and so far and so forth now. Okay, but good news is that today I decided why not I make a video breaking all of that down, simplifying it, the concept of order block and how are they actually formed, going to the backstory of what actually is happening, why is an order block, why is it even called an order block, what does it actually mean, and I use my favorite kindergarten terms to actually teach you guys so that it will be easier for you to and also remember and how to actually identify an order block and what happens when an order block gets disrespected, what happens when an order block gets respected, like what should you guys do as traders. So all of that I already actually recorded a video and I've already posted it also on my YouTube channel. So later on guys, maybe after this live or what, please do go and watch that video, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already, so that you guys will be able to finally understand easily what an order block actually is. Okay, so today's live stream. Okay, so one moment. Actually, I did an error. The title of this live stream is incorrect. I forgot to go ahead change it. Give me one moment, guys. Okay, you guys enjoy the music first. Okay, and you just pay attention to this yellow dotted line that you can see here. I'm showing you for Bitcoin. Later, we'll be going through Dogecoin also and also Ethereum. So basically, today our live stream is mostly about us analyzing the market and where we think market may be potentially moving to. Okay, but so far I think it's down for New York session. Okay, we're predicting this because before New York session happens, I'm predicting that price will eventually move towards the downside, at least to take out the price there. But later we'll speak more about it. Okay, so give me a moment, guys. Let me go and settle this title thing. Okay, guys. So I think I did it lah. Okay, let me just check. Yeah, I think I did it lah. I hope I did it lah. Okay, so again, thank you everybody for joining today's live stream session. I'm so happy to have you here. For those that may be new or maybe watching my live stream after this is posted, thank you so much. My name is Guna. So basically, I've been trading for the past 3 years already, and then this is just me sharing my analysis, my honest opinions of where market is moving, giving you guys free knowledge based on my experience in trading, in hopes to make you become the ideal trader that maybe you always wanted to be. If that's what your path is lah, and that's something that you truly want, yeah. So this is what I'm doing from my end, like basically giving out all of my experience, my knowledge, my mindset, what I see in the markets, all for free to you guys so that you'll be able to become the trader you always wanted to be. Okay, and I share more in-depth, okay, hands-on, okay, details, all of this directly, exclusively inside of my Discord group. All of this will be shared to everyone that join. To join is 100% free. All you have to do, guys, is very easy. Just tap on the link in the description where it says Discord. Okay, you'll be automatically directed into that group whereby we are building a community of traders, like-minded traders, where we can discuss freely of our opinions of the market, predictions, ideas, and so far and so forth. Okay, because being a trader, most important is actually being in an environment that suits your goals, suits your how to say your goals basically. Yeah. So when you're in the right type of environment, your how to say your roadmap to success will be a lot higher because you are surrounded by like-minded people that also want the same thing. Yeah, so that is what we're building. That is a Discord channel. That is the link for you to actually gain access to. All you have to do is just click on that link, guys, and I will see you inside of that group. Okay, so without further ado, let's go into today's live stream session. Okay, so basically, let's look into Bitcoin first, okay? So what I realized, right, is that Bitcoin is actually moving towards the upside. I mean, obviously, right? It's very easy to look at, okay? Why? Let me show you. Okay, maybe I don't use this. Let me use the arrow. This arrow. I forgot. Just now, well, actually, I just made the video for all the block, basically breaking it down, and I kind of like made my arrow too thick already. That's fine. Okay, okay, okay. Obviously, lah. This one I don't have to explain also. Okay, for those that are new, we actually have a term, a trend, basically a market structure, whereby we actually refer to this sort of trend as a bullish trend. Okay, because for those that are new, we have actually three type of trends. Okay, one is bullish, one is bearish, and one is consolidation. Some people call it ranging, some people also call it sideways. Actually, even for bullish trend, basically people also in simpler terms they call it uptrend. Okay, so basically in Asia session, I realized that price actually took out liquidity, and then price flew all the way up. Okay, the song all the way up. There's a song. Okay, that's what exactly happened here. But uh, I won't say to my how to say like I was a little bit shocked with this movement. It is because right, usually for me to understand and also to predict that who is actually in control. Of course, like based on this, I can already see like that obviously bulls are in control because we can see the strong push all the way up. Okay, but based on my personal strategy, I like to see mitigation. I like to see price come and respect the mitigation zones. In this case, it didn't. Price just flew. It just kept flying and flying and flying. Okay, but pay attention to London. Okay, so what are we seeing in London, guys? What can you see in London? Remember I said this now. Okay, we have three type of movements, right? Bullish, bearish, and consolidation. Basically means sideways. What are you guys looking at right now? What are we looking at right now in London? Sideways, right? Okay. So right now, price is actually ranging within this zone. Price doesn't want to break above. Price doesn't want to break below. But what my predictions are, okay, is that because price didn't really, how to say, came into that mitigation area yet, okay, and then also this zone is actually quite empty lah. And I always strongly believe based on my hours of how to say backtesting and all right, I usually realize that price tends to go against whatever trend is actually happening. So this is an uptrend, and also there are quite a few criteria that we have to tick off first lah. Okay, based on my strategy. Okay, most of that already tick off already. But then I always tend to see price comes back and take out the price close to the zone of where my little red box is actually formed now. My little red box is actually based on my personal trading strategy. I always realize New York like to go against it. Okay, so this zone is what I'm kind of predicting. So basically, maybe we can write it down. Hold on, guys. I always have to do my best. Okay, yeah. 103.030.9. 103.030.9. Okay. 0.9. All right. Okay. So basically, what am I predicting? Okay, my predictions are that New York session is actually coming in already. About 10:30 only, the actual full force of the power will be in now. Okay, but I think price will be eventually moving lower. Okay, and I kind of predicting that price will come to 103.030.9. Okay, price will close off that level before we can actually see the next move where actually price will be going on. Okay, so I'm not so sure if price will be moving up or down after this zone, but as of now, I feel price will be moving down personally now. Okay, but since we are doing the live session just before the session opens, right, the New York session opens, we can actually be doing in some of our predictions and so forth. So for what I can see so far, I know this is consolidation. Okay, I know that. But then based on my analysis, okay, price has taken out liquidity resting above here. Okay, and price is respecting that zone. Okay, and what else am I looking for? I'm looking for any zone on which I can actually refer to price if price want to come and show me any form of mitigation. So basically it's here. If you guys are not sure why this is the zone for mitigation that I'm waiting for, don't worry, you guys can join our free Discord community, okay, so that we will be sharing all of this analysis, all of our fundamental ideas, all of our predictions, daily mappings, mindset, and many more, all for free inside of our Discord channel. So please do join, it's very easy, just click on the link and then you'll be directed there, okay? Alright guys, so basically I want to see, right, price, okay, especially for New York session. Right now it's actually moving towards the downside. If price respects this zone and it shows me that price is actually respecting this mitigation area, then I will strongly believe that price will go and take up this number here, 103.030.9. However, if price disrespects this zone and breaks above like this is first scenario, okay? Okay, then I have a strong belief that price will come and take out this price. Okay, if this pattern happens, okay, respect. However, this is one. If price goes here, breaks through, okay, and then uses this. No, I won't say this now. Uses the session here as a platform to move higher, then of course not. We won't be seeing this price being taken out now. I need to see what happens around this area here. Okay, so basically this is our two pattern prediction. If you ask me, only these two patterns can happen or not? No, there could be so many patterns happening. Okay, we can never 100% be sure which pattern will actually play out, but this is just based on our predictions. For me, the main important thing is this zone here. I want to see what happens when the price reaches this zone. How will price react? That's all. That is all. Okay. We as traders, what we do, we follow the trend. Okay. And who makes the trend? Market makers, institutions, big banks. Okay. These are the people that move what? Move the market. Correct or not? I also spoke about this in my order block video breaking it down. So please guys go watch it and then you guys won't be confused anymore about order block. Okay? I broke it down. Made it simple as possible. I use kindergarten terms of so that you guys will be easy to understand. You guys will be easy to understand. It'll be easy for you guys to understand. Yeah, that's what I want to say. Okay, so basically this is Bitcoin okay, in a nutshell. Okay, let me just go to the bigger time frame. Let me try to see what else am I looking at. Okay, don't worry about these lines, all guys. Okay, don't get nervous. Okay. Okay, so this is the H4 zone. The price did not take out yet. Okay, this is a liquidity zone that price didn't take out yet, which I was, to be honest, I was expecting price to take this out yesterday. It came very close by, but it didn't. I was really expecting price to take out this before having a move up. Okay, so let me remove this stuff, the first TP, second TP thing, make it cleaner a bit for you guys. Okay, all of this also I shared in yesterday's live. Okay, I broke down the reason why I entered. Okay, what did I see? What was my thinking process behind? I even showed proof of the entries, proof of me sending all of this analysis inside of our Discord group. So please do watch yesterday's live session if you haven't already. Okay, there's a lot of learning material there for you guys to learn 100% for free, guys. Okay. Let me clear this up. Okay, clear this up. Do you guys heard that? My cat, yeah, my trading cat. Hello, my trading cat. Every time, all the time when I'm doing live. Only when I'm doing live. Guys, one moment, okay? This is Mochi, by the way. Say hi. You can say hi? You can say hi? She's not camera shy. That's the problem, actually, to be honest. Hi. Okay, guys, let me put away one moment. Huh? Okay, you guys enjoy the music, okay? Let me put some music. Okay guys, sorry, thank you so much. Okay, my cat little bit heavy maintenance one, very very manja one. And the only thing is that she only want to be this manja when I'm doing live. When I'm not live, oh, really full attack mode, full play mode. But manja only live, want attention only when I'm doing live. Yeah. Okay, so where will we? What will we doing? Oh yeah, okay, we were analyzing this BTC. Yeah, okay, okay. So guys, just give me a moment now. Let me just analyze a bit more. Okay. Let me remove all of this stuff so that we can really get a clearer picture. Maybe this one I can remove first. Okay. I like my charts clean. So many things make me hard to understand what is actually going on. Okay. Guys, even based on market structure, which we usually go through and we usually speak about, right? Okay. What are we looking at here? What structure are we looking at? So, yeah. Don't worry, I know how to see. Look at that. What structure is this? Yeah, if you guys feel like, ooh, what is this? Okay, basically, right, you see, impulse, pullback. Okay, this considers still like an impulse lah because it broke this high, and then another impulse down. Okay, and then another impulse up. What is this section telling us? This one here. See, big strong push down, big strong push up. That means within this zone, right? Okay, just in hindsight, let me change this. Oh, hold on. Let me change this. Maybe I put it yellow. Just this zone alone, right, guys? Something very big. For example, this catalyst line, it either can be a very huge deal going on somewhere around the world. It could be news, it could be them actually putting in a bunch of sell orders and a bunch of buy orders or so. That's why we can see price is not respecting any form of market structure. Okay, you see, impulse down, impulse up. This is not healthy. Okay, that is why we are seeing right now price is actually moving in this way. Basically, don't really have a trend in the bigger time frame. Okay, in the bigger time frame, but overall our bias is still towards the upside. Do you know why? Okay, see, this one, right, price moves up, okay, down, and then it made a new high, basically the highest point in Bitcoin, which is 109,000. This was the low that created that high. Okay, put it thicker. This was the low. Did you see any form of price action or price line? Let's just take price breaking below this low. What I mean by breaking below means something like this. Okay, so press it down. Okay, right here and then break below. Have you seen this? I mean now no lah. Later on I know lah. I'm not sure lah. Okay, but price didn't break this zone. So that means we are still in an uptrend. Okay, these are things that you need to be able to learn and understand. Okay, you need to be able to see as a trader and understand what are we looking at, because the structure that we're looking at, right, this is what happens almost daily. Okay, market does not move in the examples that I always draw for you guys, not always lah. It doesn't do this. So beautiful, so easy, right? You just see yourself, you already know already. We're moving up. I know, it's so doesn't. This is how actually market moves. That's why is you guys have to really put yourself into really practicing, giving your time, giving your sacrificing your how to say, anything that comes up lah. Basically, if you want to go out lepak or whatever, whenever we're having this live session, you guys have to really think now which one is more important and more aligned with what you want to achieve for a better tomorrow. The more time you give into trading, the better and better and better you will become. This one is something that I can guarantee. Okay? So, now, let us continue. So far, I'm seeing a bearish push down line in the bigger time frame. I'm seeing a bearish candle. Since we did predict that in New York session, We think that price will be moving towards the downside closing of this, okay, this price number. And I also understand that this zone has not been taken out, this H4. I really believe it was going to take out yesterday. See how close it came. But then after that, it started to move away from it. One moment, guys. For those that are new, and I'm not sure why suddenly got these colors, I basically item them on. With these colors basically just easily helps me to identify when is Asia session, London and New York. These are the major three sessions that are very important, especially if you are interested in becoming a trader. Do not blindly just place trades any time of the day. Really understand what session are you currently in and what are you doing. Okay, this is a mistake that I did growing up because no one really taught me about these sessions. I kind of learned the hard way, and then I did a lot of I would say research. I spoke to a few traders, and I understand actually there's a reason why certain traders trade only at certain time. And then when I dig deeper, I start to realize, oh, it actually relates to this. We actually have sessions, and each session give out different outcomes based on how the market moves, how much of power actually comes into the market, how much of volume is there. Biggest one usually is New York lah, but it doesn't mean you cannot trade in Asia and London. I just like to see what is Asia doing, what is London doing. So now we understand Asia what moved towards the upside quite strongly, and it didn't come into mitigation. Okay, so the bias was so strong. London, what are we seeing? We are not seeing any form of really ups or downs. Basically, London is inside of a consolidation phase. However, this part, London did take out liquidity resting above. Okay, and we can see a push towards the downside. This is the area that I want to wait and see if price comes into that. Will price respect based on mitigation or will price disrespect? If price disrespect, there's a high chance that price will not be moving towards the this price zone here that I'm predicting, but price will go out and take out liquidity resting in yesterday's New York high. I actually have this, guys, let me find it. New York high. Okay. So all of this is waiting in because 10:30 only we will finally see when the actual session comes in. But this is our predictions so far. Okay. Okay. So basically, guys, let's just wait and then let's go and see other pairings like this Doge coin. Actually, this Doge coin is quite interesting lah. This is also a zone. Okay. You see this one? This yellow zone here. Okay. So this one. Okay. Maybe I make it thicker lah for you guys to see. Brighter and also thicker. Guess what, guys? My cat is coming in again. She's looking at me again. Okay, so far she didn't come in, so I'm still safe. Okay, so you see this one? This is an area of interest for me where I want to see price comes in and respect. Okay, so this one happened on the okay, she's inside. This one happened today. Okay, basically early this morning, 5:30 a.m. I wasn't awake this time, don't worry. Okay, I'm not saying that I saw this, I was awake or whatever. No, no, no. Okay, but around this time I was already awake. Okay, and I started to realize, oh, market is actually respecting this zone that I drew. And then what happened? Price starts to move away. Did I take this trade? Unfortunately, no. I didn't take this trade because around this time, yeah, 11:25. I remember, I think about 11. I actually went out somewhere. So since I went out, I won't be trading. Okay, I have a very strict policy to myself. And if I trade, I need to make sure I analyze and do a little bit more technical analysis from my part based on my trading strategy before actually choosing to enter the trade. That is just me lah. Okay, so I didn't enter this trade. Did I wish I did? Yes, until now also I do. Okay, so price basically respect this zone and then price came into mitigation. Hold on guys, my tears. Okay, price came into mitigation and respected this zone and then price moved all the way up. When I see this happen, right, if I was looking at my computer lab, I will enter for a buy. The reason why is because this shows me that who is in control. Buyers are in control. So this is a 1 to 3. Easily we hit 1 to 3. If I enter lah, I didn't enter. Okay, so for those that are new, what do I mean by 1 to 3? Basically, you see this risk to reward. Risk or reward ratio number 3. This, what it means is, if I'm risking $1 on a trade, okay, minimum I am looking to get back $3. If let's say it's 1 to 4, let's go 1 to 4. Okay, lah, roughly here lah. No need to focus on 4.3 lah. Just focus on 4. If I'm risking $1, minimum I'm looking to get back $4 in return. Okay, so the concept is very simple. 1 to 1 basically means if I risk $1, I'm risking $1 to get back minimum $1 back. 1 to 2, I risk $1, minimum I'm risking $1 to get back $2. Okay, so far and so far. Okay, the concept of this is very simple, but usually my trade on average is usually 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. If you ask me, do I sometimes aim higher than this? Yes, but it depends. It depends on what? Depends on structure. Okay, I always like to move with the trend. Okay, if the trend is an uptrend, okay, and I see, and it's okay, hi, my cat is back, guys, my cat is back. You can see her tail. Yeah, this is not a microphone speech, that you can talk. Hello, hello, hello. Hi. You want to be YouTuber also? Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry. One moment again. Enjoy the music, okay? Give me one moment. So sorry. When you're a father to two beautiful, naughty, furry daughters, sometimes they will request for your attention. If you never give, then you're in trouble later, especially when I'm sleeping, since they sleep with me. Okay, continuing. Okay, so the question just now was, if I recall correctly, right, is that if I aim actually for maybe more than 3R, I do, but depends. For me, it's very important based on structure. If let's say overall the market is moving in an uptrend, my bigger time frame bias is also an uptrend. Okay, my smaller time frame buyers, okay, for the intraday trading, especially depending on which session am I currently in, is also moving towards the upside, then yes, I will go for a bigger risk to reward ratio. My risk will always maintain the same. I have a specific amount based on my own trading capital lah. Okay, this one actually depends on you guys, how much you guys put into your account to actually trade. Based on that, you have to find what risk to reward. Are you willing to risk for every single trade and do not change this? Okay, really focus on making sure that you follow your risk to reward. This is how you find your path to profitability. If you're always changing, right, sometimes you risk a lot more, sometimes you risk lesser, right, then is how they say, you are not really clear, or you're not really strict with your own self, especially in terms of how much you're willing to risk. Because the main thing in trading, right, is protect your capital. You must always protect your capital, guys. Okay? This is a priority. Without capital, you cannot trade anymore. Why not protect it? Alright. Yeah. So then, yes, I will aim more. So if this one, right? If this one, of course, this one came into mitigation. If I saw this, right, I will be aiming more. I will aim. I won't aim 1 to 3. I will aim for this high, the highest one. Highest I will go like, okay, 1 to 4 for this one. Okay, because this is the closest small liquidity that I can find. And in this case, almost 1 to 5 lah. So this one is good. Easily even. Why? Because it's following the trend. The trend didn't start from here, guys. It started from here. You can see it's moving up already. Okay. So this is what Dogecoin. Okay, so Dogecoin also, right? I have some predictions of where I feel that it will be moving down, so like it is right now, okay, based on New York session also. So I think that's why in my title, right, in this video also, I kind of mentioned like is BTC, Dogecoin, and also Ethereum moving towards the downside. Is it going to move down? Yeah, so this is what I kind of predicted based on what I'm seeing, is because I'm seeing so much of bulls coming to the market today, especially when Asia session opens. Okay, this is for BTC, this is for Ethereum, this is also for Dogecoin. But I am not really seeing any form of bears coming in. Okay, because we understand, right, market structure, right, for it to be healthy, it needs to have a proper pullback. Okay, we understand that. But these proper ones, right, is not really happening, especially here. You see, when market moves, right, in such a powerful manner, especially to the upside, okay, what do market do? Market create gaps, okay, and market does not like this. Market hates gaps. So what market tends to do? Market actually tends to go and close them up eventually. Okay, so these are like, actually, in a sense, they are kind of like magnets also lah, for price lah. Basically, they attract price. But of course, the primary source of where, hello, thank you for joining. Really awesome, really good. Thank you. That means a lot. Thank you so much. So, where was I at? Oh yeah, liquidity is always the primary source of why price is moving. In my books of trading, okay, you can learn from other advanced people. They will say other things, and it's not wrong. Okay, I also will agree with them whatever they say, because in my mindset, in my understanding, trading is a Rubik's cube. I said this many times in my life before. Oh yes, my voice dropped today a bit off. I'm not so sure why. Okay, so trading basically is a Rubik's cube. To solve a Rubik's cube, do we have only one combination to solve it? Of course. There's so many combinations, but we all can get similar or the same or even better results. Okay? Same thing in trading. Trading also, everybody can give you different understanding of what they feel, because this is based on their experience. For me, I'm giving you based on 3 years of experience on trading and what actually made me found profitability, okay, in my personal journey. Okay, this is what I'm sharing with you guys. So this is what I can see. Like, I can see market actually had a very strong push to the upside. Okay, market create gaps which market does not like, and eventually I believe market will be going to close them off. And also, based on my how to say, countless hours of backtesting. Always New York session goes against my little red box. So that's why I'm also using the gaps and also the little red box as my one of my bias to seeing that price. I think New York will be eventually moving to the downside first lah. Okay, that's what I think. So far, yes, I can see this red candle here, but we have to wait and see lah. Okay, let's just wait and see. So this is Dogecoin. Let me go into Ethereum. So Ethereum also same thing. I think I called out Ethereum about London session, which it went up, but it didn't get into my zone, unfortunately. I will show you guys. Let me show you guys. Give me a moment. I get a screenshot. I just sent this inside of our Discord group today, before it even happening now. Show you guys. Okay. Yesterday live session teach me something. I can paste things in, right here. Yeah, this is so cool. I can just paste it here. Okay, I think you guys can see. Can you guys see? Let me confirm. I need to go and check. Okay, you guys can see. Okay, so this is at 5:44 p.m. Traders for ETH, keep an eye out for price 3383.04. See how price will react at this level. If it reacts showing boost coming in, then we may act for potential long position. But remember, always protect capital. This is always the most important thing. Okay, protect your capital. So unfortunately, okay, 544 was roughly here. I think. Wait, let me mark it down. 544. Yeah. Let me see, guys. 535, 5545. Yeah, roughly here. This red candle here. Okay. Let me take this up. This red candle here. So this was my price on which I was expecting price would come here from this red candle here. And then if price starts to react in a bullish momentum, I'll be entering a buy. Actually, I placed a pending order also here. Like this was my TP. No, this was my TP. This was my TP. Yes. So this is a very simple, very easy 1 to 3 risk to reward trade. So this was my SL. This was my TP. Okay, a little bit more than 1 to 3 lah. I think I even took a screenshot. Show you guys. Let me see here. I remember like I took a screenshot now. Yes, this one. Ethereum at 543. I need to make sure you guys can see it. I think you guys can see it now. I think can. Yeah, so this was my initial game plan for Ethereum today. But then since price didn't really price didn't came into that zone, so I deleted my pending order lah. Okay, but we can still see a reaction lah. Potentially, we can see what price will be doing after price comes into this zone. But if you ask me if I'm looking for a long opportunity, not anymore, because price already went to my initial TP point before reaching my zone. This happens, especially in trading. This happens, okay. But as traders, okay, I said it a few times to you. I'll say it again. Never chase price. You see, this was my TP zone. See how beautifully price went to it, even a bit higher, okay? Even based on my experience, even based on my hours and hours and hours of backtesting, okay? Hours of learning, hours of loss, hours of wins, so many things, okay, in the past 3 years that I went through. The most important thing that I learned is never chase price. Even though if I knew 70 to 80% the price will go and take out this high, okay, which it did. You saw right, the timing I sent you was at this candle, okay? This red candle here. We would never know this would happen. This is what I was seeing. Basically, this is what I saw. We would never know price will go here or not. But I had a 70 to 80% prediction that price will go to this point. Okay? But I'm very strict with myself that I will only enter this trade if price comes to my zone and respects it. Only then I'll be going for my long opportunity. If it doesn't, I will forget about this trade. I will focus on New York session. Okay, so in this case, you see, price didn't really go to my zone, but it went where? Of course, it went to my TP. See, went to my TP. So when this happens, I delete my pending order. It's not relevant to me anymore. Move on. Really, guys, just move on. Don't be the guy that, okay, price actually never came to my zone, but now we're seeing reaction. Let me enter here. Yes, you can enter here, but your SL will be a lot more bigger than usual. See how much we have to drag. And to be honest, this is still dangerous. You guys have to drag it here to be totally safe. This one, okay, let's say we aim here. A one-to-one trade. Okay lah, if you want a one-to-one lah, but I don't really go for one-to-ones because my trading volume is a little bit high. So to risk, I cannot say a lot lah, but quite a few funds lah, just for a one-to-one. So I have 50-50% ratio. I personally don't like that lah. I always prefer 1 to 2 at least minimum, or 1 to 3. So based on my trading strategy, I wouldn't enter this trade. I won't chase price lah. So only if price comes into my zone, this will be a lot better. You see, my SL is how much more smaller, and this is a more than 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So this one I'm comfortable. I'm okay with losing this much because this is the usual amount that I'm okay to lose if trade were to go against what I'm predicting lah. And that's what you guys should train yourself to be also. Okay? Never chase price. There will always be opportunities in the market. Remember this, always. So Ethereum also same thing, guys. I predicted that it will be going towards the downside. That's what I mentioned earlier also in this live, same like BTC. And I really think that Ethereum will be coming in to close off these gaps that is created into the market. Okay, here also quite a few gaps. Have you seen? There's a strong push towards the upside. And I really believe that it will be coming down. I really believe that. Okay, but again, all of these are what? All of these are just predictions. Because what we do as traders, we predict. Who is the most important thing to follow? Market makers. And how do we know that? There are certain things that we can see to know that. Okay, when they come in. So for today, let's just focus on Bitcoin. Okay. So we understand this is in consolidation right now. Let's just remove this because we already know. Okay, let's just focus on this point because we know price took out liquidity and is reacting. Right now, same concept. I want to wait and see price comes into this area or not. Only if price comes here and show me is any sort of respect that is respecting this zone, okay, then I will go in for my sell opportunity. Okay, if price disrespect this zone and then after that it comes back underneath, I need to see certain things. Okay, still can enter, but I need to see certain things. So let's wait together. Okay, let's see. I will be roughly streaming until 10:30. Let's say by 10:30, let's see if price actually comes here or not. If it doesn't, then I will highlight to you guys inside of the Discord group. I will share all of the outcomes, and then when price reaches here, what is price telling us and everything like what I do daily. Okay, if you guys want to also get a chance to actually experience all of that live predictions and also my live call outs and everything, please do join the Discord group. Okay, the link is in the description. Very easy to join. Just tap. Literally just tap, guys. Just tap. Okay. Let me just go into H for a moment. I want to check out some certain things. Maybe if I'm missing out anything. Okay. Let me play the music for you guys while I do some analysis. Okay, you just guys watch in the background. just a few things that I'm looking at now. So I was trying to see if I can look at anything else bigger in the bigger time frame. So I couldn't. So based on what we analyzed so far in the bigger time frame is still valid in terms of how price is still overall bullish. Okay, because it didn't break overall the market structure that created the highest point so far, which is 109,000. Okay, this point now. Okay, basically price didn't really break it. Okay, sorry, this point 109. This is the lowest point. Okay, price didn't break it. In H form we can see better. This one here. Okay, so price didn't break this, so we're still overall in a bullish trend, especially in our bigger time frame buyers now. Okay, but what is the three lines, right? Earlier I told you guys that we may potentially be seeing New York move down. Okay, what I'm seeing, right, is that this liquidity zone, right, once it's taken out, price respect and then price went down. Okay, and then this liquidity zone, price when it took it out, okay, he also took out this one. Okay, that's why we highlighted this here. Price respects and then is moving down. Okay, this, right, what is telling me, right, basically price is so far reading out to me that potentially sellers are finally starting to come into the market. And when I see this big strong bearish candle towards the downside, okay, and also this one, is it bearish, bearish, bearish? These are just signs and how to say, footprints, okay, of sellers showing their presence inside of the market right now. Okay, but for me, I still, even though this, right, I'm seeing is not enough for me to just base my trade only on this and then go for sell right now. Like, okay lah, I'm seeing all of this. Okay, let me go sell. Okay, stop loss. Okay, take profit. Take profit. Where was my number this now? This is my take profit. Okay. Yes, you might be thinking, okay, Waguna, you always say your risk to reward is 1 to 3. This one is 3.31, correct. But remember, look at the SL. This is a very wide SL. Okay? And I don't feel comfortable entering price around this zone. Yes. Sorry guys. Oh. Today's a quite late. Yes, I can lower my lot size. Correct. For those that don't know, lot size, it basically means how much am I willing to risk on this trade. I can do that. Okay, I can lower my lot size and then I can make my average amount of how much I usually risk fairly the same. Yes, I can do that. Of course, can. But this will be training me to go back to my old habits of eagerly just wanting to enter the market so that I won't lose any opportunity. Okay, that's not what I want to do. I've been training myself so long already, over years already, that to make sure that I stick to my trading plan. Okay, so far guys, this is just my predictions. Okay, I want to see first how price reacts upon this zone. Okay, mine is my SL basically above the highs. If price comes here and shows me a good rejection, basically a reaction towards the downside, okay, this is ultimate line. Okay, but this will be basically my first TP zone. Okay, so basically want to fall. Hold on, sorry. Maybe I can draw it up. I draw it up now. Okay, let's predict the future live here. Okay, TP1. Okay, where's my TP2? This is my TP2. TP2. And this, of course, lah, you guys know, lah, TP3. Basically final. Tuna, is it always must have 3 TP? No. You can even just have 1 TP. Okay? Every time, right, when you think about trading, just remember the Rubik's Cube concept that I always implant in you guys. Okay? To make you guys aware, understand. Anything you do in trading is not wrong or right. Okay? The only thing that is wrong is us not learning from what we did wrong in trading. If you ask me, once price comes here, okay, it starts to react, and then from this point here, right, you close the trade, you just exit the trade. Correct or not? It's not correct or not. It's up to you. You feel like, okay, this is how much you earn already. Your instincts is telling you that you want to get out of the trade even before it comes here. You want to get out of the trade, get out of the trade. No one is stopping you. No one is has the right to say, hey, what are you doing? Potentially after you get out of the trade, then you can see this happen. Okay? Okay, but please, 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 do not be the person that feel like, how to say, oh, sorry guys, accidentally slippery. Do not be the person, right, that is like, how to say, yeah, if I hold my trade, I already went until the final TP. Or the person like, next time, like you write in your journal, next time I must be brave, I must be confident. I mustn't just simply close my trade. I must drag myself. Don't get me wrong, all of this is good things to remind yourself, okay? Because everybody needs to fine tune their trading, even myself. Okay, I'm not going to say I'm perfect in trading. If I'm perfect in trading, I don't think I'll make any losses now. Okay, but no one in trading history, I think, never make any losses now. Sure, go. Okay, it's part of the game, so it's normal. It's okay to make losses. Okay, but remember this thing that I'm sharing with you guys right now. Don't be that guy or that girl, okay, that person, let's just say that, don't be that person, okay, that feels that you did something wrong if you close your trade too early and after that the trade starts to move lower. I know I've done this to myself many times before, and actually without me realizing it, mentally hurt me a lot, to the point that I started to doubt myself, doubt my trading strategy, lack a lot of confidence without you knowing all of these things were happening. Okay, so uh, just remember, whatever we're doing is prediction. Okay, we are just predicting price will go all the way to take out this price here. Will it happen? We are not sure. Can we even see that happening right now? You cannot even see it happening. So if you were to close price, okay, and you earn profits, right, and then after that price go down, why you want to feel anything? You couldn't even see it. You were not even, how to say, uh, cannot say where. Basically, you didn't know lah. Okay, right now, you see, we didn't know. We don't even know if price will go there or not. This is just what we are predicting. So if you close in profits and then price goes there, remember you cannot see the future. You wouldn't know the price will reach there. If you know means why you want to close. If you know and then you close, then out lah. You that one you need to speak nicely to yourself already lah. Okay, but don't take it too hard, guys. Okay, don't really just don't. Don't be the person that, ah yeah, I should have just held. The should have just held is the person that actually didn't see the future yet. That is why you closed. Okay? If you can see the future, no one will close. Everybody will just hold because they know where the end price is. Okay? Based on London session and so, you see, New York high. I could be aiming for New York high. But see, price never came into my mitigation zone. And see, if I expected to go to New York high, because it never came into my mitigation area, I can feel thankful that I never enter, even though it did go to my TP lah, okay? Even though lah, okay? But I say if I'm aiming here, let's say this is my entry zone, you never kenal, okay? This is my TP zone, New York high, this is my asal lah, okay? Almost 1 to 5. I will feel, oh, thank God lah, I never entered this trade. I'm not sure I lost already the trade, okay? But when like this kind of thing happen, let's say price actually went in the correct direction and hit our TP, why are we feeling like, yeah, I should have hold the trade, I shouldn't have closed the trade? Why? The same concept. You see, when it never go to our zone, we cannot predict a zone. When it go to our zone, we cannot predict a zone. Like you see right now, I told you guys, right? I think New York will be moving down. Okay? This is my entry point. Now, this is the only point of entry that I am personally interested in. Okay? Right now, you see how strong the move is moving down. Again, now we got this live. I mentioned this earlier already. Okay? I'm not reading the future, guys. This is just years of experience. That's all. Okay? See? Price is respecting what? This is also a liquidity zone. basically our TP1. Our TP1 have to change because price already went through already. Okay, you only can change if price reacts here lah. Okay, we need to see that lah. Okay, yeah. So coming back to this concept, do not be the person that you feel bad about something that you cannot predict. Okay, like you not say cannot predict, you cannot know the outcome. We never know. Traders will never know. If you feel you want to take out profits already, even halfway, or after TP1, you want to take out all, even though we have two more TP, do it. Okay, it's not wrong. Okay, trading is what? A Rubik's Cube concept. How you solve your Rubik's Cube, it can be your own personal combination. Okay, you don't have to follow other people's combination to solve your own Rubik's Cube. Okay, everybody that is trading and watching my live right now, or maybe watching the video later, okay, remember you hold your own Rubik's Cube. How you solve that Rubik's Cube, it depends on you. Okay, it's up to you. It's not wrong. Whatever you guys do is not wrong. Okay, as long as in the end you became successful traders, you're winning. Okay, don't be too strict with yourself. To only close TB1, only close TB2. Don't do that, guys. That's not part of success. Okay, so what are we looking at? See, it took out TP1 already. Okay, that means what? This is our next TP1 zone now. Okay, but why, you might be asking, Guna, why this big candle came in suddenly when price wasn't moving much? Remember, earlier in the live I mentioned, what time neon session opens? 10:30. What time is this? 10:30. So neon session just came in. Even the first candle, you can see many people are coming into sales. Okay, you see, you go the yesterday one, see, first candle come in, not this one, not this one, not this one, 10:30, which one? This one, you see, long candle, many people coming to buys. Okay, does that mean, Guna, that once we see this buy, we can go for buy, or once we see this sell, we can go for sell? No. That is the normal retail trader mindset. Okay, don't be that. Yesterday live I shared very in depth about what market maker sees, what market maker thinks, okay, and how they will look at the market, how we look at the market. So if you guys haven't watched that live yesterday, please do. I even shared my personal story and also my personal advice if you're interested in becoming to trading and how to find that if trading is the one for you or not. All of that is shared in my live yesterday. So please feel free when you have the time, go watch it. Give it a like if you like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Today, our life very simple one, very chill one. Basically, we're just trading. We are a fisherman. Okay. Right now, we cast our net with our bait. We are waiting for price to come in, get our bait. If then we want to see that if price likes it or not. Okay. If price respects it, it will move how we predict. If price doesn't, I also already draw already initially. This is where price will go to lah. Okay. I personally don't like to stand in one point of view. And in trading, I learned that the hard way after losing a lot in my past. I like to stand in the middle now. So even if my bias 60 to 70% is more towards the downside, I will never say 100% is downside. I always give my percentages right now. So 30% for me is towards the upside. That it will close here. And I will act based on what will price do. Let me just prepare my phone for this potential entry. One moment, guys. Set up my stuff with so I just done my setting. not pending order, okay, because I want to see how price will react first. Sometimes New York like to follow the trend. Sometimes, most of the time it doesn't like, okay, but sometimes it like to follow the trend one. So that's why I need to be cautious. I need to really look at how what is price doing, especially when it reach certain zones, and I need to know what am I looking at personally. For those that are aggressive entries, right? The one that more aggressive lah. This is also a potential sell entry here. Actually, we can enter here also. But one thing lah, the stop loss will be a bit bigger lah. But this is a little bit more of an aggressive style of trading out of entry lah. Okay, not me. I don't mind waiting. I don't mind if it never go into my zone also, like what it did. I used to it already because it happened today. Yeah, so this is one if aggressive style lah. Okay, but we're not seeing enough of bears coming in yet. Okay, we're still seeing more bulls. You see the one, you see, bulls, 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 one bear, and then bull, and then this one never closed yet at all, just started. So I don't trust the candle when it never closes yet. I only want to see closed candles. That is what my entry model is like. That is what I like to see. Let me make this yellow so we can see the difference. Okay, make it more colorful. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Bulls coming in strong, huh? Bulls coming in very strong. Wait for reaction. This is not my entry yet. Wait for reaction. You can see the wick is a good reaction, but price got another 3 minutes to close. Aware of that. Always be aware of your time frame. What are you looking at? If you are looking right now what? At 1 minute time frame. Price is not closing. Bulls are still in power. Potentially, if this one get disrespected, it's our new target. Candle never close yet, guys. The bulls are still in power. Price disrespected the zone. So what is that telling us? Again, we still have to wait for price to close, but that is telling us there's a very high probability that New York high will be taken out. So now we try and see if we can find a potential entry for a buy model or not. Okay, roughly just look into this zone, guys. Okay, this one here, this one here. Okay, see when price comes back into this zone, let's see how price react. If price comes into here, okay, and then we're seeing a move up, okay, aim for this New York high. This is why never react just based on this. Even though we're able to find, okay, we've seen bears coming through, they're showing us signs, but yesterday I got shared, the market sometimes will want everybody to see the same thing so that market makers can come in and take out everybody. That's why I always say wait for reaction. You need to see who is in control. For me, the way is once liquidity has been taken, I need to see mitigation being respected. Then I will know who is in control. In this case also, mitigation never been respected yet, even though it's moving up. So I can move to this side first. So one catch up overview. This one we can delete because price didn't respect this zone. Wait and see, guys, in this zone, this area here. Let me restructure my trade. This is 106, 838.2. Okay, okay, price is coming down. I should check the card this liquidity here. I can remove this TP first. Let's try to the upside. Basically, we just wait and see for a long opportunity. Also want to trade. Basically, what we're expecting is to come in, take out the card. Also, guys, do not send pending orders. Let's wait. Okay, wait and see what is price doing once you come in this zone. We want to see bulls coming to the market. If we do not see any form of bulls coming to the market, then we just wait. Okay. There's also a chance where after price take out this New York high, then we will start to see a move towards the downside. If later on, right, throughout the New York session today, if you guys suddenly see after price take out this number, right, 106,838.3, okay, then you're starting to see bears coming to the market, whereby you see any form of change of character, okay, all of these terms change of character, BOS, all we already covered into our order block video that we just posted in. So please do go and watch it, then you guys will get more understanding on what actually these terms actually is. They're very powerful terms, by the way. If you guys see any form of break of structure, sorry, basically change of character lah. Okay, after price has taken down the liquidity resting here in New York's high that was formed yesterday, then remember our TPs lah. Okay, because initially then price might be coming to take back this number, take out this number, but we have to see how price react after taking out liquidity that is resting and has been created by yesterday's New York high. Waiting, waiting, waiting. Guys, let me go and refill my water. You guys just wait and see the charts for me. Call me. If the thing happen. Suddenly the chart moving already. Wait. We wait to for a while. these are the times that we have to control our emotions. Like we see like, okay, price maybe already having a pullback. Most probably is now or never. If I enter now, then I still can capture the pips that where price potentially will be heading to our target zone here. Control. This is when we have to control. This is when we have to remind ourselves that we have to stick to our SOP, our zones, our game plan, and if price only plays out in that way, we will be the most safe in entering. Okay, we enter based on reaction. Okay, that's the way how I find profitability and success in trading. We do not enter just based on, okay, this is the zone, let's just set a pending order. When price comes in, then it will go back up. It's not it. That's why there's now, initially where was our mitigation? You guys remember or not? It's not 5 minutes, like this was roughly our mitigation zone, okay? That's why I mentioned when I see either do not enter, because I'm seeing strong bulls coming in instead of bears. And when we see this place getting disrespected, that is why I do not send pending orders for this kind of trades. Always wait. We are reaction traders, okay? Don't be like, okay, this maybe is a pullback. Now maybe it's going to go another impulse. Yes, can. There's a high chance, most probably, this could happen. See, up, okay, down, pull back, and then all the way up. Can. There's a chance. Maybe that's what's going to happen. But leave it be, guys. Leave it be. Okay? Stick to your SOP. Understand what is more important. Okay? Protecting your capital. Okay? What is more important? Training your mindset. What is more important? Being strict with your own trading SOPs. Okay? Profits will come. Just know that it will come. No matter what, it will come. Okay? As long as we are strict and dedicated to our own SOPs, our own trading strategies, and so on, profits will come. That's the result. I posted a story where I mentioned action plus action will always equals result. Okay, this is basically the universal term. Okay, the universal term. No, nothing can go wrong with that. Alright. So right now, my strategy, I will wait until price comes into my zone. If not, I will just still be happy knowing that price eventually will move in where I think it will go. So no matter what, it's still a win because I didn't lose. Okay? No matter what, we didn't lose anything. If you think, oh, we lose our time, you are learning. We are all learning. We are learning how price is moving, what is happening. Our predictions, I say, like the London session that I told you, it went to my TP, but it never came to my entry point. It's okay, but it went to my TP. So that means what I predicted was correct. So I'm happy, regardless, I'm happy. So same thing now here, guys. Be patient. The market wants you to chase. Remember that. Do not chase. Just wait. Be the fisherman, be patient. We put the bait, wait for price. If price hits our TP, so be it. We can have another trading day tomorrow. Okay? To be honest, even after hit the TP, I already gave you guys already potentially the price may be heading down. Okay? We still have TPs below. After price takes out this number, then I want to see where price will be heading to potentially. Okay? So no worries. There is always abundance of opportunity in the trading market. Okay? Abundance. I think I just go and get my water, guys. Okay? Just in case I was set this alert thing. Okay, now I have an alarm here. Okay, you guys look at the market, huh? Let me know. Huh? Okay guys, see. Nearby yeah. Okay, let me remove this. Orang itu akan beri apa? For those that are wondering, right, why did I draw this dotted line here? Okay, this actually relates to liquidity line. So I just want to see how much will price actually respect. But price did not because it never made any new high or anything like that. So it's still moving towards the downside. So this is the reason why. That are wondering, right? How long do we usually have to wait as traders, right? There's no actual time for that. I had a friend that actually did a live stream about trading. He was waiting on Dogecoin. Almost 5 hours he was waiting. Yeah. So actually there's no actual time limit. Because right now, right, all of these things, right, is actually liquidity that has not been taken yet. Okay, so these are all fuel. This is also liquidity. This is fuel. This is the New York high. This is also fuel for pulling price data up. So right now, the strong push all the way to the upside. Okay, I also found out that this is actually an order block. Again, guys, please watch the video that I just launched. You guys will understand why I drew this order block here. Okay, what did I see? What was the reason I draw the order block? Once you see the video, right, you guys will get clear, in-depth understanding about it. Okay, I already posted it on my YouTube channel. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. And then once you watch the video, please let me know what you guys think by leaving a comment so that I can know what I can do next for you guys to help you guys understand more and more and more about trading concept and everything like that. Okay? See you guys coming near our price review. Remember just now I told you the pullback, do not chase price. If we were to enter here just now, you see, price is already coming down. Just wait. Okay, we never know what will happen. Look. Now let's focus. Now let me get ready my phone and focus. Guys, we are seeing a very nice strong push towards the upside right now. Okay, and price exactly came into our area and then it's showing reaction. So this is a nice chance if you guys want to go long. Okay, just remember, do not over trade. Okay, even though we are seeing all of this liquidity, all of these things, price up. Okay, remember, price always wants us to see certain things. Okay, for me, I already entered this trade. Okay, so far trade is going very nicely. Remember, guys, keep your emotions over here. Even though it's going, I also can feel like excitement and all. Yes, yes, it is very exciting. But keep calm. Okay, steady. Yeah, this is my actual entry here. I should be taking out these liquidity areas here. So moving up. Okay, for those that are enter, you guys can set BE. If this was your entry, you guys can set BE. BE basically means break even. Okay, and then you guys can just leave the trade to play off. The moment the trade reach this zone here, you guys can take partials out. Okay. Remember to set E. Yeah. So guys, just keep in mind that uh, that right now, right, because since it's moving up, right, which is beautiful, like exactly at our point. When price move up, remember, we will always have an impulse, okay? So when you're seeing us, let me get your point. So if you're seeing suddenly a push down, do not get scared, okay? If you guys feel you guys want to take up profits right now, just take up profits. Nothing is wrong, okay? Remember, trading is a Rubik's Cube. However you trade, okay, it is not wrong, okay? So if you guys want to take up profits right now, you guys can take it out. So we will have this pullback, okay? Once we have this pullback, and then potentially we'll be seeing price move basically all the way to our this one, our final TP zone, okay? So for those, if you guys have entered means, remember you guys can take all of your profits out, or you guys can set BE, okay? Just to make sure you lock in lah. So anything also no problem. Even the trade go down, you don't lose anything. Actually, you earn a bit. Okay, or you guys want to close out also can. And also be aware, see this wick here, price take out all the liquidity resting here already. So what this means, when price takes a lot of liquidity funds, right, potentially it has enough power to push all the way down. You got chance also. Okay, that's why we always set BE, break even. So if that happens, no matter what price want to do, we are safe. That's why I'm very chill now because I already set my BE already. I set my BE just here. Hold on, yeah, just here, above this line. I'm okay even if price can take me out. I earn a little bit compared to right now. If I take out, I'm okay. I'm totally fine. I'm way past the zone of having to just collect so much of funds, collect so much of funds. For me, priority right now is actually strategy, mindset, and the way how we control our emotions. That is my primary thing. And also about being very strict with my TNC. You see, because we are strict, we wait. We are the fishermen. We are patient. We wait until price comes into our zone. Then only we enter the trade. Okay, and this is all recorded live for you guys now. Okay, this strategy works. Okay, my strategy works. This is years of experience, years of training. All of these guys, you guys have access to. Just join the Discord group, 100% free to join. Okay, we have VIP sessions there whereby we go more in depth in certain things on. And even then we mention the word VIP, right? Trust me, you guys can speak to our admin. There is no fees that you have to pay to me to learn. Okay, it is still 100% free. There is only a small TNC where you have to do for you. Okay, basically it's for you. You have to make sure that you do that first, and then only you will gain access lah. But all of the content there is free. Trust me guys, it's free. Okay. Whatever I'm seeing right now, price moving, everything, you guys will remember to set B, yeah? I will just do live streaming until maybe TP1. Okay guys? And then you guys can just be aware lah of this one, the final TP1. Okay, later I will share lah in our Discord group. Okay? Remember, price move up, we will see a pullback. Okay? Not necessarily it can be pullback. This also can happen. All the way it can go down. And got chance also. Because why? Price already take out liquidity. Okay? But I don't think so lah. That's the case because why? This price some price is closing above this zone. So I don't think so lah. Yeah, 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 go, 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 go! Fly! Wait, I take out some partials first lah for me because the amount I'm playing a bit not higher than usual, but the lot size I play is different. Okay, I lock in some profits already in FBE. No problem now. If you guys want to lock in some profits or even take out all also, again guys, no one holding you back. Whatever you do is correct. Just follow your heart. Okay? that you guys see, right, is basically is equilibrium. Okay, I will make a video about it. Okay, first you guys make sure you see episode 1 of the video that I just launched about order blocks in depth. Okay, you guys have to see it in sequence. The reason why is because when I explain all of these things, eventually when I go through my trading strategies, you guys will be aware of it. You guys will understand it a lot more. Okay, so this is equilibrium level. That's why it's in gold. I choose it to be gold, so I'm aware of it. Okay, so if price comes off here and is respecting off this zone with a bullish move up, then we are good. If price disrespect this zone, still okay, but it needs to respect this. This is the last form of result for me. Okay, if price disrespect this one, then we potentially will be seeing a move down. So far, would you guys say price respecting or disrespecting? So far respecting now, we have 6 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's bullish, but not a very strong bullish candle. Potentially, price will be moving lower. Yeah, see? All of these things not simply can. I'm saying all of this is just what I've been seeing in the market for so long. Okay, remember this one, I want this first, too much lines. Second move, price. guys now boring lah. Huh? I know usually my live stream got a lot of talking, but today I want to make sure I do a live trade with you guys. I want to show you guys the power of waiting, the power of predictions, the power of understanding disrespect, respect, the power of implementing. Of course, like, I got implement my own trading strategy also inside, which all of you guys can learn. Okay, and also this is all captured live also. So if any of you guys have ever wondered, yeah, no proof, no proof, proof. This is all live. Okay, all of these things all is not based on like just guessing. All of this is based on countless hours of backtesting, years of experience, years of error. To be honest, all of the mistakes only actually taught me all of these things. Yeah. So yeah, 11:30 already. I think maybe most probably I'll be ending the live shortly, guys, because I'm not so sure when will the price go to TP1. I still feel price potentially will be going to TP1. There we can see a push up right now. Okay, price didn't come to this zone for mitigation. Okay, but it's still below this price zone now. Okay, here. The reason why I feel totally fine is because I already take out partials at here. Basically, the top part here, 50% now of my earnings I took out here, and then my BE is at here below here. I pull it up already. The reason why I pull it up is because now I have this mitigation zone which has to be respected. If this is not respected, I'm no longer interested to be staying in this trade because I don't think it will be continuing uptrend here. Okay, but so far still looking good. So, in case if I end the live early, just know guys to look out for this section here. That price has to break this zone, okay, for it to reach TP1, okay, because this is the highest form of resistance that we have as of now. So price right now is still like underneath this zone now, okay. The price also took out the liquidity here. That's why it's having a move towards the downside. So price has the capital. If you want to push all the way down, he has it, he has the power. So that's why set your break even and then just let the trade run free. Okay, no more stress, no more thinking, overthinking. Yeah, the trade will go up or down. Everything is free right now. Okay, that's how trading should be. Trading should be stress free. That's what I teach. You guys will learn that. Okay, trading will become easy so that you guys don't have to like cannot sleep or for it to become easy, you guys have to be ready and willing to sacrifice also like your time, your efforts to learn, to really take these things seriously. Then only you guys will see the benefit of trading. Basically, it's printing money. If you all think you all want to buy Toto, right? Think that trading is actually a Toto, because you literally can print money. We literally print money. I just print money already just now. I did it live, so. Okay, so guys, just look out. Just look out for this zone. The price has to break this zone. Maybe I write it down. As to break this zone. Okay. Price has to respect this zone. Okay. Yeah, I change. Yeah, no, okay. Price respect this zone, then we're able to move high. Yeah, price has to respect this zone. Okay. Price has to break this zone. If these two things, think TP1, very very high probability will be taken out. Also, this as well. Usually New York session usually like to go and take on a New York session. Not always, but usually that. Okay, I just stay on maybe another 15 minutes, guys, because I'm feeling a bit tired already. Today is Friday, I know. I just feel like I want to see a movie. mitigation so far, where price is so far respecting, but are we going to react based on this? Of course no, because we already entered the trade here. Okay, my BE is right now here. Yeah, sorry, my BE is here. Okay, almost took me out. Almost, but I did take out partials already, so I'm happy. I don't mind. Okay, this is already a winning trade now. Okay, so price is respecting the zone that we predicted so far. How do we confirm this? My favorite word, close. Wait for price to close. Just one bullish candle close not enough, guys. Okay, this can happen. You see, that is it. Red, bullish, and then red again. See, you need to wait for more. So far, this is nice. We got 9 seconds left. Let's see. Is it going to be bullish or bearish? Is it bearish? Does that mean? No, I'm not sure because the push for bearish is not really prominent. But does that mean that? Oh, that means it won't go down. Yeah. Trading is a Rubik's cube. We never know. Our best bet is to find the most highest probability to make money. Okay, and in this case, because we already closed our partials here, okay, or if you guys already taken out your trade, you already made money, so you won already. Okay, so nothing to stress really right now. This is my SL right now, so close this now price almost took me out. I mean check sometimes the spreads will take me out. No, I'm still in. Yeah, I'm still in. Okay, so price so far respecting. You guys got it live, huh? This is not pre-recorded or anything, huh? Okay, this is my trading strategy. Where I told you price will react to go up, it did. Where I told you price must come to mitigation and respect, it did exactly in that point. And all of this is not, it's not science, guys. This is all experience. Okay, price has to break this zone now. Maybe I put this to the left side. Yep. Okay. Once price comes to the mitigation there, I already know already buyers are right now in control. Okay? Because right now price is respecting that area. So price for right now for me I have a 70% chance it will break that zone. The one that says has to break this zone. I was saying that at 12 guys, I think I will end the live. Okay, so you guys can just be aware of what is going on, and then where is the TPs, what has to be broken. Okay, so far the zone is being respected. Okay, and then just look up for price and how it moves and everything. Whenever once price reaches this TP zone, right, you guys can choose to just take out everything or just drag your SL even higher all the way. Okay, and then just wait for this point also can, no problem. Okay, but for now just leave it here. Mine is here right now. Okay, roughly. Okay, I have to check the number again, but if I know it's above this red candle, just a little bit above. Okay, this red candle here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's live session. For those that maybe will be watching this after the live session, I really truly appreciate you spending your time into really giving the effort to learn. Also, guys, know that we have the Discord channel that is 100% free to enter. Enter? No, I guess enter lah. Basically, be a part of 100% free to be a part of. All you have to do is tap on the link and then you'll be directed into the Discord group channel. Okay, this kind of stuff, right? I share daily. All of this mapping is all of my predictions, what I think market will do, mindset, and so on and so forth. All of these are actually being shared into my exclusive Discord channel. So if you guys really want to join in, really want to take the next step, especially into being the trader that you always wanted to be, okay, please do not feel scared or worried or anything. I'm not charging you anything. Okay, I'm basically giving you 3 years of my experience 100% for free to make sure that you guys become the trader that you always wanted to be. I hope I can do that. Okay, there are a few of you that have also joined the VIP session. Also, by the way, like I said, it is free. Just join the Discord group, speak to our admins, and then you will find out yourself. It's actually free. There's just a TNC on how to get chance at it. Okay. But for those that have joined, who have learned, who have done like live sessions with me, something like this, the ones that are earning, congratulations to you. I'm very happy. You guys are basically my motivation to keep going in this dream that I have. I had this dream for so long already to create this trading community, and finally it's here now. Thanks to the resources that I have now, with the traders that I have managed to meet across the world. Okay, guys, another 7 minutes. We see. I see. So far, still looking good. In my opinion, still looking good. drag my SL. So from here, I drag my SL to this line. Okay, so basically I'm locking in a lot more profits than initially line. Okay, because based on my trading strategy, okay, price should not come and trade below this zone already. If it does, we potentially may be seeing a move towards the downside. But I still highly feel the price will be going to pick up New York high. Okay, basically this price line. So you guys can just keep an eye on that because most of the time it's already 11:59. Tropical will end the line. Okay, so basically this line, this is my break-even point. So 105,412. Based on here, 105,412 point. Blah, blah, blah. Let me check. Let's check. Okay, mine is 105,412.8. This one is 105,412.9. Basically, just 1 point even now. Okay, basically just a little bit lower. Just here. Okay, but around the line. Okay, this is my break-even point. Okay, so already 12 also right now, guys. So I'll be ending the live right now. I hope you guys enjoy this 100% real live trading that I'm showing to you guys lah. Okay, live lah. This one I don't need to show any proof. You guys can see it already. Okay, the price respected exactly how we predicted it to be here and here. And now we want price to break this, which I believe price will be breaking lah shortly. Okay, if price breaks this zone already, guys, from here my SL I will drag it roughly here below this zone. Okay, I will drag it here lah, and I will leave price. And then once price reach this point, I will drag my SL here. I will take a little bit more partials up. Okay, because just now I take 50%, maybe I'll take out 25% from here. And then I will drag my SL even higher lah. And then this one I will just let it until the end. I will see how. If it never can ask, so it's okay. We really want the trade. Even right now, we really want the trade already. So again, thank you so much for joining. Thank you so much for staying also all the way to this point. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope that this live stream was insightful into showing you guys how we actually able to predict the market, and all of this is live. None of this is pre-recorded. And then you see now price is already breaking the zone already. Wait up. Let me just pull my answer. Yep, okay, guys. I know it never fully break, but it's okay. I bring my answer already. Okay, I drag it to here already. This is my answer. 0.1, not 0.1. Where is it? Yeah, roughly here. Okay, yeah, this is my answer. Actually, it's below this. Yes, this is my answer. Then break already, guys. So you guys also, if you guys are watching right now, just drag yourself even higher. Like mine is here. You guys can put here also can, here also can, here also can. I just leaving a lot more room lah, because based on my strategy, price should not come back and violate this area. If it does means, then it's most probably this is not going to move higher already lah. Okay, but I still feel we are going to go move higher, especially this TP one will be taken out. Okay, then eventually this will be taken out also. Okay, keep an eye out for this price. And I hope this video was insightful. This live stream is insightful and helpful for you guys. If you guys have earned money, means if you guys have my number right there, please just send me a screenshot. I'll be very happy to see. Okay, so I want to go now. I want to go and enjoy a movie and just chill and relax. Okay, on a Friday. Tomorrow, there will be a chance that most probably I might be live streaming again. Okay, so if I am, I will announce it in my Discord group also. So if you guys haven't joined yet, please do 100% for free. Link in description. Okay. Thank you so much for your time today. Sorry, it's actually quite some time. I was hoping about 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, already 2 hours and a half already. But thank you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day. Have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys most probably tomorrow or the day after. Take care.